Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to set your profile picture on your Telegram and how to change your profile picture on your Telegram. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to set a profile picture or how to set a DP on your Telegram account. So I'm just going to show in this video. So first of all, you just click on the three dots on the top, and now you will see an option of setting option. Just click this. So now it's go into your account. You will see an option on the top and you will see a plus symbol. So just click on the profile. So now it will be on a full screen. So now click on this three dot option and you will see an option called set profile picture. So just click this, and now you can choose your photos or videos, or you can use animated emojis for this. There's a lot of emojis here. You can just choose the gradient background color also. It's also all of the animated emojis, or just come back, discard it, and just click on this plus symbol. You can choose your photos and just click this and just click OK, and now your DP have been updated on your Telegram profile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.